How to use ZZZ Code AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you guys can use ZZZ Code AI, which is an AI based coding assistant. So let's get started. So first of all, let's head over to its website. That is zzzcode.ai. So head over to the website, and here you can see what it is. And yeah, this is a website powered by AI, which will help you and anyone else just code. And yeah, it's just that easy. So here you can see what it can do. You can also find this section right here on the left hand side that will show you the most popular feature of it, features relating to code itself and utilities. So there are different options such as answer question, which if you press on it, you can just ask a question about different languages and coding itself. Code generator, which you can press. So in the code generator, you'll need to select a language, write down an explanation of what you want to generate. So let's say a code that gives me the sum of two integers. And if I simply do that, you can select what you want to do here, your tone, and the language that you want it in, and then simply tap on execute. And there you can see it has just given me the output, which I can then copy and then use it. So there are other features such as bug detector, code explainer, code refactor, and code review. So you might have noticed that this will give you code's explanation when you convert it. So let's just head over to other features such as utilities. So you can go to code compiler, and this should help you code in the web browser itself. Code converter, where you can convert code from one language to another. So there you can see, let me just execute this, and it will just give me the converted code. There you can see it has just converted the Python code that we generated above to sum of two integers into Java. And yeah, this is the website. You can head over to zzzcode.ai to explore out more features. Thanks for watching, and that is it for today.